Hey YouTube, Coach Lutan here. YouTube doesn't allow videos over 10 minutes, and I really wanted to get my AJ Hawk stuff back out. I'm not even sure if it even let the original video go out because it was like 11 minutes. But I've added some more, so let me get right to it. May have to come in two parts. I'm going to start with the Exquisites. All these are numbered to 225. This is number 162. Number 55, number 190, 199, number 3. This one's kind of cool because it's number 47. It's his college jersey number and a cool patch. 206. 111. I think it's number 89. 68. I think it's 98. And 163. Those are the Exquisite number to 225. I have a few numbered to 99. This one's number 35 of 99. That one's number 32 of 99. And this one is 76 of 99. So got a decent amount of the Exquisites. National Treasures. Got a Reebok patch. That's number 8 of 10. Got a laundry tag. It's one of my few one of ones. If you can see that or not. Another laundry type tag. This one's 3 of 10. Number to 25, just a jumbo jersey. Another one. This one's 21, and that one is 3 of 25. Some autos. This one's numbered to 15. 12 of 15. Another one numbered to 15. It's number 10. I think this one's numbered to 15 also. Yeah, no, this one's numbered to 30. It's a silver down there. Number 6 of 30. Start getting into the patch autos. 2 color. Number 4 of 25. Another one, 11 of 25. All these 2 color guys, patch autos. 23 of 25. 7 of 25. This one's number 30 of 49. That's the silver version. Looks like another silver version. 14 of 49. This is the gold dual patch. 2 color auto. Number to 30. 6 of 30. There's another one. Gold. 26 of 30. And another one. Dual 2 color. 24 of 30. And here's the regular rookie auto, 85 of 99. Alright, that's the National Treasures group. Slide the next little group forward here. Got some Gridiron Gear, dual jersey auto. Just a jersey auto. This dual jersey auto is numbered 4 of 15. This is 34 out of 40. Just looks like actually an Ohio State jersey piece. Just a jersey, numbered to 50. Dual jersey, number 5 of 50. Triple. It's the jersey version, number 20 of 50. There's the patch, 2 color, Number 106 of 150. That's dual patch. Number 33 of 50. There's the pull-out auto. It's number 18 of 150. There's the jersey auto. Number 48 of 50. Another jersey auto. 32 of 50. There's a patch auto. 22 of 50. Another dual jersey auto. Number 22 of 50. Right, so there's the gridiron gear. Not sure what all's in this stack. It's like Ultimate. It's a 2-color patch. Number 19 of 50. There's a Ultimate rookie auto. Number 95 of 99. There's a Ultimate, it's the gold version. This one's number 4 of 10. And here's another Ultimate rookie jersey auto. Not a jersey, just a rookie auto. Number to 99. It's all the Ultimates that I have. Some Leaf Limited. So Ohio State jersey piece auto. Number 21 of 25. There's another one, Ohio State jersey piece. This one's number 45 of 50. This one here was a spotlight version, and that one's just the regular version. So, one in the Green Bay uniform, solid white patch, number 38 of 100. There's a 2-color patch. This one's number 66 of 100. Back to another solid white jersey piece. Number 31 of 100. Here's the Green Bay spotlight version. Patch. It's kind of cool. It's number 1 of 25. And then here's another patch version. Number 44 of 100. Got a couple more minutes, guys. I'm trying to hit one more stack, and then I'll put the rest on a second video. Playoff Contenders auto. I actually have 2 of them. This is an SPX. It's numbered 4 of 10. It's an Excellence, SP Excellence card. Like I say, number 4 of 10 up there at the top in gold, if you can see it. SPX number to 350. It's the gold version, I guess. SPX number to 1650. There's a Hot Prospects auto number to 99. Another Hot Prospects quad auto. This is numbered to 999. Actually have a second one of those. Numbered to 999. Exquisite Collection. It's a patch card numbered to 30. 24 of 30. Have a Absolute Memorabilia Spectrum. Top one is a 2-color patch auto. It's numbered to 50. Got this Absolute Memorabilia auto. Don't have the number on that one. Can't really tell. Number to 100. Case is a little too big. Got the just a regular patch card. It's a Spectrum, number to 100. And I got 2 numbered to 869. Alright, stick around for part 2, guys. Thanks. See ya.